Beautiful day, isn't it? This is what it's been like for the last few days, and from the forecast this is what it's like for the next few days as well. That'll be the new moon period over, and I've only got 4 hours on a target that's about 10 hours. It's a picture of 3 galaxies, and it's in the north. And it's just above that tree. It's fairly low on my horizon, and it's a bit of a challenge. I'm not sure why I'm doing it, because I'm cutting through so much atmosphere trying to get these northern targets. I'm very envious of some of the galaxies that you guys have, especially in the northern hemisphere. But I'm going to give it a go. Hi guys, my name is Don Pearce, and you're watching my channel, Don Astronomy. It's the weekend, it's raining, and I'm bored. And won't be doing any astro for a while, so I've had a little project in mind that I've wanted to do for some time now. Basically, I have storage issues, and I'm sure everybody has storage issues. That's currently the only available space I have, and it's not a lot of space. I've got a keyboard there, and when you're changing lenses or you're cleaning equipment, or you're just fiddling around, I need space to work. And what I've decided to do with my little project for this weekend is in this space right here. I'm hoping to get a fold down shelf that can fold down, and it's got a lip to stop things falling off, and hopefully I can make it fit into this space, and so that it can go fold back up into that space and not actually take away any of the space in the observatory when I'm not using it. Let's see how we go. Don't tell my wife, but we're off grid here. No power lines to our house. As you can see from the weather, for the last few days we haven't had any sun and probably won't get any. And I've been asking her to conserve power in the house. Little does she know, it's because I'm using power tools out here, so whatever you do, please don't tell her, and hopefully she won't hear us.